from Ireland, we flew to France.
Yep.
Drank some wine.
Oh yeah, and the Bordeaux wine trail was amazing. So, and this is a really popular ride, obviously, because you go through Bordeaux, you ride between the vineyards, and you just literally wine hop, like you go from one vineyard to the next.
Wine taste every morning and a wine taste every afternoon. So it's a bit at a different vineyard. So
it's cool. Yeah. So again, it's point to point. You stay in a different guest house each night. You know, you have to get used to the tiny European bathrooms.
Yeah. Take some extra money because you're going to buy a bottle at every vineyard.
Absolutely. Lunchtime is this spread of phenomenal French cheeses and wine, and then when we were riding through there, the vines had just changed colour, so they were this beautiful golden orange. Like, yeah, they looked like they were on fire. They were stunning. We had amazing weather and scenery, and then we'd drop into these UNESCO listed villages that were, and our guide would actually, we would ride through the village. So like tourists were taking photos of us, which I love. Like again, rather than, you know, trying to bump around in a car, you know, with your sort of phone out the window taking photos, you're on a horse seeing it. It's just
taking it in, and you'll find everyone else is taking photos of you.
And then after Bordeaux in France, we went to Camargue.